belly fat is probably the toughest and biggest weight problem that most people have. It is difficult to melt fat from this area and you need to exercise to tone it. However, eating certain foods can also help you shrink your belly fat. Nutritionist Farzana Chauhan lists a few such food items. An egg a day can keep health problems away. According to Farzana, egg whites contain good quality of protein which increase your metabolism. As a result, you burn more calories. What's more, it is low in calories and fat, 85 kilocalories and 5 grams fat. If you don't want to eat the yolk, eat only the egg white. Read more. Include 1 serving, i.e. 15 grams of nuts like walnuts, almonds, etc. in your daily diet. They contain filling protein and fiber and as a result you consume less calories overall, says Farzana. You can make them your healthy snack in the evening so that you don't eat junk food like chips and cake. Read more. If you have curd after meals, you are on the right track. Include low-fat curd in your diet. It's a belly blaster as it contains beneficial bacteria, which reduces bad bacteria from the intestine and minimizes bloating as well, she says. It also helps in digestion of food and is better source of protein and calcium than milk. Read more. Want a veggie that will help you lose weight and also provide nutrients? Eat broccoli. Not only is it fat-free and low in calories, it also packs your body with vitamins and its fiber flushes out the fat, adds Farzana. Read more. These are sources of good fat as they have omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds also help in fat loss by keeping you satiated for a long time. Sprinkle them on your salads or eat them plain as a snack every day. Read more. According to Farzana, berries are a good option when you are watching your waist size. They are not only yummy but also rich in antioxidants which protects the body from free radical damage. Have a handful of them every day in the form of strawberries, mulberries, blueberries, etc. If they aren't available around the year, buy and freeze them as this retains their nutrients. Read more. Switch your regular tea with green tea, as it has numerous health benefits, including its fat-burning properties. Drink green tea for 3 months regularly to see beneficial results in your waist size, advises the nutritionist. Read more. Eat tomatoes, as they are low in calories and are a natural diuretic, making them a perfect belly minimizer. Other such veggies are cucumber, bottle gourd, cabbage, etc. These have high water content, which fills up your stomach, yet does not add too many calories. For more articles on weight loss, visit our weight loss section. Follow us on YouTube for all the latest updates. For daily free health tips, sign up for our newsletter.